1830 TV, we're here on the boat party with the lads from Suffolk! Sub 1830 boat party, how's it going? Who's the biggest lightweight here?
Last night I chummed it over a balcony.
Chummed it over a balcony! Someone control this guy! Who's pulling the most chicks?
I don't know, where is he?
Is he not here? He's probably with a girl!
He's pulling now!
And who isn't pulling the most chicks? Who's suffering?
Me!
Anyone taking your fancy?
He likes...
Where is she? Have you found love on the boat party?
No, I've never even spoken to the girl.
He's in love! Show me your signature dance move! Okay!
When Cav Ospin's anti-room market has distressed.
Yes! Captain of the boat! Captain of the boat!
Everybody should
You
find
got us here back safely, we're so appreciative. That boat party, Captain, was unreal, do you agree?
It was.
One more time!
Broken, but I don't care. We are Malia!